Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic GI Enthusiast Collection with 449 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, traction control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. It's been upgraded with mirrors, fuel door cover, axle caps, grips, chrome switch housings, brake pedal, highway pegs, chrome rider and passenger floorboard inserts, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, and a primary cover. A paragon of power and comfort, the Tri-Glide offers the same performance and luxury of the Electric Glide on the stability of 3 wheels. The GI Enthusiast Tri-Glide pays homage to military veterans with a mineral green denim paint set and factory details. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 100 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.